Samanya karen kiri sengkung pulau pen kiri tui kiri ke sengma tonggo apa di sengma pakai seng saja kayak malia.
Bodoh apa kayak nera?
Senggo tabu go sini karen ni karen kemudian salnya bisa kayak.
Norok bo area awal.
Jwngjal bari area goro bari area.
Kalburan sini bukan sini.
Sama nyom tu seng saja kayak itu betul saja mah kayak go karen ni go ba. Semua mah kayak go ni kau mau berapa sama kayak seng saja kayak malia. Tak kayak seng taman dia sengma pakai.
Karen bilok timur area dah.
Karen bil seng
Karen bil mah tabu bina senanya. Karen banyak mungkin elam ritong oti kita kepor Karen bil beri yang mana apa tabu prepaid system seorang Khumulwng area apa. Jepur paina nih kan kapur ke signal ritong elam ti ke sengapur kai mah kai pe. Seng masuk kom ni mah ponorosho am kai dong seng bil kai ugo recharge kai mah telangu. Kintu Nobar bukuri, kerang bukuri, isi sahkan sekarang tanpa kerja salsa serasan serupun kok ya, salnei saltam. Abu ni sekarang saga, announce kai saya Khumulwng electric department kok keseng karen senam naik, karen tang naik. Oh matin, din Thailia tin hor tin sal, tui keri, oko keri mamu songlai malaya karen keri, kebni nogo bah hamya tongo, burisik tongo, tabuk cin bini nogo kaka, paralyzed ringjak. Pen sara tong semaya high pressure ni rugi. Short semana pen cagi tong na nango. Kem ni nogo ba pregnant buri tongo. Kem ni nogo ba besar kelui tongo. Tapi sakok nga belekan nang mana online class. Kebang mas serai karen kering ni tini pori kari male ya mia pori kari maya. Abu ke karen department supungi di mana bang pori kari yang kono.
Kam ni bagai ingkana mo.
Kam ni bagai mana karen kering ni bagai ta.
Karen kering mobile battery charge
ni maya online class kering kaba teacher ba absent jaga pori ka fail nang nai. Kaba bahaya ke bayang seng tangai hamsi nai no. Karen department of call kaya kaba jeng saimaya senamai tongo ni. Senamo bonus senamo boss hawa. Sengor paisa kaya sare agora tawa. Hapurupan seborong ni senior manager hunjang nai paisa kaya ko. Enggak seng tam kanai seng kun saimalia.
Bukan di sini norok ni ayo Amchai.
Amchai karen kiri abo harap Amchai kai. Asal din jeng joton no nailai jeng pai jauh hanya pai depan pai ya.
Ngapun komplain dah officer.
Onek bar komplain dejak. Itu Mia bu seng pai nuk pai ka seng malakan pai na electric department nuk malakan pai ka. Horni sara to sok paika khorok sapan keri oto so phai nu phaika bong office line dog da ko za borong ma sapan keri inga sangabon pore ngangke phai nu phaika bong oro tukrub laijak rok janala rok glass rok bai inga jeng kiri lai o bai ti simi mokal haike nasigi nai leka abon pore ngangke bong ro karen tongo Khumulwng bisingo nga karen tongo dukmali area wa sangabon pore ngangke jeng thanani nai tongman kha oro radapuni police station ni borok phai sok paika inga jeng borok bai kok thaise thaini sai oro honi 12:30 jeng ongkhori thangka o jagani o Khumulwng electric office ni
Apro norok mamalai ka kebo ba office.
Kebo ban malaya oro borok khorok sapan keri inga tini phai jeng seng paika jeng to karen bagi kok sana phayo sabai kok sana borok sawa ubo bai sani binara thanga borok sawa ubo bai sani am haike mang jeng ulta yang gurika last ro ka phai sok paika bong senior manager 12 kam tamti yo Nggak sengabun bagi orang jatuh nacin bukuk seng belbari Amchai ni bukuk seng takuk seng pai sok paja karen ni bagi seng takuk na kunong kumaya ko sengabun bagi basa lai jago.
Orang sok pai orang ni staff rok kok dah masa.
Orang staff rok sawo seng kun sai simaya tam na sai me sengabun kun sai me abun bagi seng jatuh na orang basa lai jago. Iko tai bukuk seng ni problem pun orang kenai ni di tai.
Actually, we have to come in one solution that every day we are facing the same problem. This is a big question mark to the department who are working here. Are they eligible to work in this department? We want to know that because we have been suffering not for just a few days. It has been continuing for the months. It's not about 1 day, 2 days. In the day there is no electricity, we can understand, might be they are repairing, we know, fine. But whole night there is not electricity. What are they repairing? What are they doing? The department, what are they doing? We are paying what we are supposed to pay according to the needs we are doing. And they should do the work according to the needs. They are working as a public servant, and they should work for the public. They are all coming in their own time. They are taking their own time. No one is taking initiative of doing anything. So to whom shall we go and say all these are problems? Who has the responsibility to take the problem up? We are just lay people. We are coming here to find out what is the problem. No one has the answer. He says that you have to talk with that one. She says that you have to talk with that one. Are we simply useless people? We are coming here. We also have got some work. We also left our children, left our house, left everything, and we came here because we want to get a solution from this department that what can they do next steps. Please be clear of what you are doing. And we cannot stay on like this for every time. And see how much our children are suffering. They are not getting to attend any online classes. They are missing out their classes. They are missing out their examination. Now will this department go and inform the school principal, the teachers that because of there is no electricity, our children cannot attend the exam and they will mark absent? Who will be responsibility for this? If the school is marking absent to the student has to take the parents and meet the principal and meet the teachers. Who will do that? Are they going to take all the burden in their head? They are not going to do that. They are really sitting in their own office with all the fans on, everything. And they are not thinking about others. We are suffering. Even yesterday night also we came here. There is a big question mark. By 8:30 we are coming here. Why none of the office staff is here? There is a big question mark to the department here. At least one of the office staff should remain. One person said he is a local person, that he said there is less staff members. If you have got less staff members, please recruit more. Please get some more staff. You have to work. It's not that you are enjoying, this line is having VIP line, they are all enjoying the lights and fan. We are not having neither those. Early in the morning you get up. As soon as you get up, the first thing what you need is water. Without water we cannot do anything. And in our area we don't have, no one is giving us the supply of the government the water. We are having our own water. Unless there is no electricity, we cannot pump even the water also. Do you think about them? Others are staying all in Agartala, in all the area where there are electricity. They are staying in very peaceful way. They don't have any border for anyone. But we, the people who are suffering, at least you think for us. We can, okay, by anyhow, daytime we can manage by walking around. Or nighttime, where should we walk? There is no fan. How will we sleep? We'll open the doors and sleep. It's a big question mark to the department that they have nothing. They have not done anything. They have not taken any initiative what they will do. They are giving only excuses every day. Every day there is an excuses. If you are not eligible to work, please give the people who can work here, let them do their work and supply current for us properly. As when you have fixed for the prepaid, when so many people they were not able to pay the money, you came to the house and you took the fridge, the television, you just took because they are saying that we are doing hooking. Now we are not doing any hooking and we are giving you every month the payment what we are supposed to give. Then why you cannot supply us the electricity? What is the problem? Are we using in free? We are not using anyone's money, okay? We are using our own money and we are spending. So it's all your department that you have to look into it. I don't know, we came here, nothing is here and no one is here. It was left open and we have seen so many games, indoor games inside. It's something big question mark to the department. What are you doing? Only when you get the news that there is no electricity, you will run for it. Please be sure of what you are doing. This is my request to all those who are in charge. Please look into this matter. It's not about one day, it's not about today. It has been continuing for months and years we are suffering. But it is crossing the limits. That's why we are here today, gathering together to come to one solution. We want to get a solution that what you will do next, what step is you going to take next. Because every day we will not be able to suffer like this. Yes.